Welcome to The Explainer. I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here today because, look, we are tackling something massive. If you've been following the AI space at all lately, you know exactly how incredibly fast video generation is evolving. I mean, it's like wildfire, right? But you also know the giant elephant in the room, the cost. Today, we're going to explore a method straight from our sources that reveals the ultimate, totally cost-free workflow for accessing top-tier AI media tools. We're going to break down exactly how you can leverage premium, state-of-the-art models legitimately and practically without hitting those annoying paywalls.
Okay, let's dive into this. How on earth do we access top AI models for free without juggling multiple subscriptions? Because, let's be honest, this is the absolute biggest pain point for creators today. You see a viral AI video, you do a little digging, find out it was made with an incredible new model, and then, boom, you discover it's locked behind a hefty monthly subscription. And if you want an image model, well, that's another subscription. An audio model? Yep, yet another one. It adds up so incredibly fast that most people just throw their hands up and give up. But what if you didn't have to juggle 5 different paid accounts?
We are talking about a serious powerhouse list of heavyweight models here. Cetus 2.0, Sora 2 Pro, GPT Image 2 Nano, Kling 3.0, Banana 2, Voss 3.1. I mean, normally accessing even a tiny fraction of these would literally cost a small fortune. But we found a route to access all of these, the whole shebang, through one single unified platform called RoboNeo. And the absolute best part, it doesn't even matter if you're sitting at your desktop computer or out on the go, because RoboNeo is fully available on both desktop browsers and through their official mobile apps for Android and iPhone. It is an absolute game changer for accessibility.
So, here is our quick roadmap for mastering this AI workflow. First, we'll hit the free AI Tool Hub. Second, building your first workflow. Third, animating from image to video. Fourth, pro results with Higgsfield. And finally, unlocking more free credits.
Starting right off with Section 1, the free AI Tool Hub.
Setting up your hub is honestly incredibly straightforward. Whether you're on your browser or you've downloaded the mobile app, your very first step is just logging into RoboNeo using a basic email address. Nothing crazy. Now, when you log in, you're going to see the number 20 sitting there on your dashboard. That is the default number of free daily credits RoboNeo gives you to play with. Now, for some light testing, 20 might be plenty. But if we're being real, if you're building a serious project, those are going to vanish super fast. Do not let that worry you, though. Stick with me, because at the very end of this explainer, I'm going to walk you through a completely built-in, totally legal hack to bypass this daily limit entirely.
Moving right along to Section 2, building your first workflow.
Okay, when you start a new project, I have a massive warning for you. Do not just start typing prompts and hitting generate randomly. Seriously, don't do it. This is exactly where most people waste all their credits before they even get off the starting line. If you just jump into the basic interface, you are severely limiting your control. Instead, you want to select Workflow, which introduces this amazing concept of a node. By selecting Workflow, you open up this massive canvas. Now, what's really interesting about this setup is that when you click the plus icon, you don't just generate a video. You actually place functional blocks or nodes, like a prompt node and a video node, and you can physically connect these blocks together. This lets you orchestrate the AI, building a highly thoughtful step-by-step generation process, rather than just crossing your fingers and praying for a good isolated result.
You know, there is a massive difference between amateurs and power users here. The rookie mistake is burning through credits by treating AI like a giant slot machine. They type a prompt, pull the lever, and just hope for the best. But the pro strategy, that leverages the workflow canvas. Before a pro ever hits that generate button, they open the settings of their video node. They precisely lock in the aspect ratio, they define the exact duration, and they set the resolution based on what that specific model actually allows. You want to control the machine, you do not want the machine controlling you.
All right, Section 3, animating, specifically moving from image to video.
Let's look at what is absolutely the most crucial strategy for animation. You should almost always start with an image first. Look, text to video is fine for really quick, fast tests, but if you want a polished, professional final product, image to video is where the real magic actually happens. By going back to your plus menu, dropping an image node onto your canvas, and generating an image first using a total powerhouse like GPT Image 2 Nano, you get to verify the exact look of your scene before you spend heavy credits trying to animate it. Plus, and this is huge, using an image as a base actually unlocks additional highly powerful video models on the platform, including amazing options like Grok. Once you have that absolutely perfect image, you pass it to the video node and write a prompt that only describes the motion, like say, a slow camera push-in or some subtle background movement.
And hey, if you struggle to write those incredibly detailed paragraph-long prompts, RoboNeo has a brilliant node for that too. It's called the Prompt Refiner. You simply add this node to your canvas, write a very basic, simple idea, and then draw a line connecting the circle on the prompt refiner directly into your text-to-video node. That's it! Automatically, the AI takes your simple little idea and injects it with rich, highly descriptive detail before the video model even sees it. It instantly elevates your output quality without you having to be a prompt engineer.
So the crucial point is knowing the limits of your tools. Depending on the specific model you choose inside your video node, this entire node-based workflow allows you to generate individual, continuous clips that can be up to 15 seconds long. And let me tell you, in the AI video world, a 15-second coherent clip is an absolute eternity. It provides incredible raw material for your bigger projects.
That brings us to Section 4, Pro Results with Higgs Field.
So, what if a single 15-second clip just isn't enough? What if you want to move beyond generating standalone clips and step into the actual realm of real filmmaking? Well, as highlighted by our source, Malva AI, if your goal is multiple scenes, complex camera changes, and perfectly integrated audio without bouncing between 10 different browser tabs, the ultimate upgrade is a platform called Higgs Field. Higgs Field essentially takes the fundamental image-to-video concepts we literally just learned and supercharges them. It allows you to create seamless scenes that genuinely feel like you rented a massive studio and executed an incredibly expensive real-life shoot. The advantages here are simply massive. Inside Higgs Field's image section, their GPT Image 2 integration actually gives you 4 pristine images per single prompt. We're talking 0 watermarks and absolutely no quality throttling. They also feature something so cool, it's called the Pirality Project. This is an analytical tool that actually scans your generated video against massive datasets to predict its viral potential before you even hit post. How crazy is that? And crucially, it is currently the most cost-effective place to utilize Seedance 2.0, which is arguably the most powerful model on the market right now. You simply select your favorite high-quality image, hit animate, and you can easily define your camera sweeps and scene transitions all in one sleek, incredibly easy-to-use interface.
Let's move to Section 5 and see how this builds. Unlocking more free credits.
All right, here is the endless credit loophole I promised you. It cleverly uses RoboNeo's own internal referral architecture to top up your account. Step 1. Inside RoboNeo, go up to the top, open Invite Friends, then copy your unique code and save it somewhere handy. Step 2. Open the specific secondary link, which is readily provided on the source's website, and copy the text block you see right there. Step 3. Go back to the RoboNeo main page, click the designated generation option, paste that text block, invent a quick password, and hit Generate. This will automatically open a new field. Step 4. Leave that tab open, grab the resulting code, and paste it right into the new field. Finally, Step 5. Take your original Invite Friends code from the very first step and paste it into the left-hand option. I know, it sounds a bit like a secret agent mission, but executing these precise steps essentially loops the platform's referral reward system. It legally injects fresh credits into your desktop or mobile account.
And with unlimited credits unlocked, you can easily reach next-level AI mastery. You honestly don't have to hold back anymore. You can chain massive workflows together, picture an image node flowing directly into an edit node to fix a tiny detail, flowing right into an effect node. You can use a base image to generate incredibly consistent character poses, or even just upload a photo straight from your phone's gallery and use text instructions to stylize it. And look, if you need a cheat sheet to remember all of this, the original source, Malva AI, has all the direct links, awesome step-by-step PDFs, and an entire community-rated directory of free AI tools available directly on their website.
And that brilliantly illustrates the sheer power literally sitting at your fingertips right now. So I want to leave you with this final question to ponder. If you had unlimited access to the world's absolute most powerful AI models, which, as we've just seen, you now do, what cinematic universe would you build today? Think about it. The tools are completely free, the exact workflow is mapped out for you, and the credit limit has officially been shattered.